And KYC is the most important aspect in the research process. It is mandatory, and check using the KRA service provider, verify whether KYC is done. And here make a distinction between sales and research. So, the research team need not involved in KYC, but the concerned team can involve sales team or whoever is mandated can be involved in, ensuring that KRA is done. And that is a very critical aspect. Before you start servicing, one should not, forget the client suitability and in terms of, understanding this KRA, because if KRA is not done, the client is not at all suitable for you to provide a research service. Otherwise, don't, discuss about, the client risk profile or investment choice and all that. That is not part of the research process. They become part of other service providers. And so, most important thing is, do's and don'ts, particularly for sales PARS. You are free to share the published research report, certainly not unpublished. And you are free to explain the scope of the research services within the ambit of the report. And you can facilitate communication flow also between the analysts and clients. And you can also communicate in terms of summaries. But certainly, never recommend a product, never recommend a stock to action. That is not your job, particularly for this PARS team, particularly the sales team. And never try to influence the client to take a investment decision. These are the most important aspects in the communication. Maintain records for 5 years and ensure that they are easy to trace and for audit and also for SEBI inspection. And always use official email channels. Never use personal email IDs for entire research process. That's very important for the research team, PARS team, as well as for analysts.